Yeah, I don't know if I can be seen very well on this, but I'm just going to do a video of the gluing operation. It needs a lot of help, but yeah, it is awkward and it works, but it's time consuming and tedious. So, but here's how I'm doing it right now. All right, first we have to fill the dispenser tube. And it still has the, I just emptied it, so the plunger's still way up in there. I can get it back out using the air. I come back out. Then we have to fill it with cartridge. So the cartridge I chop off, and a lot. We have this extender. First have to poke the seal. Now, the extender. Now what I'm going to try to do here is fill this thing from one end to the other, but leave a gap at the top, the air gap, because that's the air that's going to go out. Let's see if I can just demonstrate. So I'm kind of have this thing up on an angle. It'll fill. Here it comes. But I want to leave a space at the very end because that's the air that's going to go out when I put the cap in, the plunger. If you don't leave air there, then you can't get the plunger in, and you end up leaving a bunch of air at the plunger end. This way I can fill almost all the way up. See that? Then the plunger can go in a little bit of an angle, and then I can plunge that. If I'm lucky, I made enough space to put the, which I didn't. Yeah, see how I overfilled it. And what I need is, there we go. Again, this is why this is awkward. So, since I overfilled it, I could just eject some. I made room for the air, maybe. You usually end up with a bunch of air up here, and then it doesn't want to stop coming out. Never wants to stop coming out. So this is the cap, cartridge. And this fits on here. It's been on here. There we go. Cap the cartridge. Let's take care. Clean up some mess. Okay. Goop everywhere. This is the cap, which we'll put on for now. Okay. Get some batteries. Test glove. Initial stack. kit. One goes there. And then I have to do this. Okay, now what I do is I mark all the tangential contact points so that I can, as my guide for gluing. I'm going to take all these out. Not that. And there's that ready to go. Come over here. And first I do the in-between. And then I do the tangent points. And it's just crude. I'm trying to think of some sort of, at least a guide. Don't just have to freehand this. Once you do all those, I'll put these guys in. And then, same thing again. Next stack. Batteries. Working. Now, And that, of course, will continue all the way up.